What happens when you see a mosquito sitting on your hand? You quickly shake your hand. What happens when you eat an orange? You feel a tangy taste. You breathe automatically. Every single action that you perform is because of the coordination of the nervous system. Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. In today's video, we are going to start the second part of chapter 4, Skeletal and Nervous System. Today, we are going to talk about our nervous system, in which we'll understand the various parts of nervous system, reflex action. Let's begin. The nervous system controls other systems in your body, like muscular system and the skeletal system. It is the nervous system which controls your movements, sense organs, speech, breathing, heartbeat, digestion, and memory. Our nervous system consists of the brain, spinal cord, and the nerves. Let us learn about each part. As you all know, the brain is inside our head. It is the organ in charge of controlling everything that our body does. Our brain is always active even when we sleep, and it keeps us alive as it controls our heartbeat and our breathing. The human brain is the messaging center of the nervous system. It is protected by the skull. It consists of cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. Cerebrum. It is the largest and the main part of the brain. It controls our sense organs and is the center of intelligence. It controls our voice, also help us to think, learn, remember, and recall. Cerebellum. It is the egg-shaped structure situated below the cerebrum. It enables muscle coordination and balance of the body. It controls the motor function and muscular activity. Medulla. Below the cerebrum and front of cerebellum lies the stem-shaped structure called medulla, also known as brain stem. It controls and coordinates the movement of involuntary muscles like breathing, digestion, and blood circulation. Who sends message from brain to the rest of the body? It's the spinal cord. Now let's read about spinal cord. Spinal cord extends from medulla to the lower end of backbone. It is protected by the backbone only and is responsible for the transfer of information between the brain and rest of the body by sending messages up and down. Nerves are made of tiny nerve cells or neurons. They carry messages from different parts of our body to brain and spinal cord. So, they are also called the messengers of the body. There are 3 types of nerves in our body. Sensory nerves. These nerves bring messages from the sense organs like eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin to brain and spinal cord. Motor nerves. These nerves carry commands from brain to the muscles of the different organs. Mixed nerves. These are the combination of motor nerves and sensory nerves. So, they carry message to and from the brain. Now we know about the main organs of nervous system. Let us see how they coordinate with each other. Suppose an ant bite your hand. You feel the itch and start scratching your hand. How does this happen? The skin feels the itch and nerves send message to spinal cord which sends it to the brain. The brain interprets the message and sends response which is received by the spinal cord, from where the nerves carry message to muscles and muscles do as instructed by brain, and you start scratching your hand. Although all actions in our body are controlled by the brain, yet some actions are controlled by the spinal cord only, without the help of brain. These are called the reflex actions. Reflex actions are automatic, immediate, and involuntary responses. If you unknowingly touch a hot object, the skin nerves, which are the sensory nerves, carry the message to spinal cord. Spinal cord sends message to the hand through the motor nerve to pull back the hand, and you pull your hand back. These actions are fast and rapid without the involvement of brain. This completes our today's session of nervous system. I hope it is clear to you. That's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.